Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can create a purchase order on your request for quotation, which you have sent to your supplier. So first of all, you need to go in quotation module. On your left hand side, you will see quotation module option. Please click on this. Once you will come in quotation module, this is one of the request for quotation which I have sent to my supplier and I have received the price and remaining details as well. So I will open this request for quotation. Please check. Here, I have received the price from both of my supplier, and as I can see that Balaji Corporation is one of my supplier who is providing me in a cheaper cost. So what I will do next, you need to click on view. Once you will click on view, this particular sales quotation which is punched will get opened in front of you. Now on your right hand side, very bottom, you will see an option of generate PO. Click on this. Once you will click on generate PO, the purchase order format will get opened in front of your screen. So I just need to provide a title here. So it is bulk purchase for the identification. After that, you can mention the Indian number, Indian date if you do have created it individually. You can define the payment term as well. Now, going below, please check all the details are here. If you do have any discount, if there is any discount or any another detail which you need to mention in PO, you can go in optional columns and can select it, and then after you can mention it. Now, going below, you can see that additional detail, extra charges, comment, each and every detail you can mention. After that, after finalizing the purchase order, you will get two options: save draft and save and send. So you need to click on save and send in order to save this, just send this purchase order to your supplier. Also, if you don't want to send the email to your supplier, you need to click on this cross icon, and accordingly the email will not get sent. So I will click on save and send, and please check this particular purchase order for my request for quotation is created. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to convert your request for quotation to PO. Have a good day ahead.